Friends, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. This video I will share you another newly launched base AI category meme coin. And friends, this meme coin has massive hype right now, and it's definitely possible that this meme coin can be the next listing for Binance Exchange, because right now you can see, friends, this coin is right now trending on CoinCo. I will show you. You can see, friends, trending coins, and you can see AI 16Z is trending here. Okay, right now this meme coin is trending, and more than 12,000 people has already added this coin into their watch list on favorite meme coin cryptocurrencies on CoinCo. So that's why this meme coin is looking awesome here. So I will share you all further details here, including its price prediction 2025, because already market cap is 600 here. So is it possible that we can see its market cap up to $6 billion here or not? So it is be very special, very important. You have to just for the company we have. But friend, before that, if you like my content and if you want to support Sky Crypto channel, then I have provided these all my crypto addresses links in description, and also on my Telegram channel. You have to just join my Telegram channel, copy these addresses, and you can support Sky Crypto channel. Support Sky Crypto channel for the next 1000x potential meme coins. Stressed AI 16Z is name and its symbol $0.6 current price. And you can see last 30 days performance is awesome. Entire crypto market is dumping here, but its price is continuously pumping here. 180% pump in last 30 days. This is awesome, friends. 30% pump in last 14 days. This is good. $679 million market cap. So this is awesome. This market cap is already awesome. And still this meme coin is not listed on Binance Coinbase yet, and $27.9 million trading volume in last 24 hours. Fresh trading volume is also good. A 1 billion coin supply, all the circulation, Solana ecosystem meme coin, friends, you can see AI meme coin. Just like we have massive hype right now for Fart coin, for Code coin, for Turbo coin, and Turbo is already listed on Binance. So that's why this is another AI meme coin and AI agent. This is another awesome narrative right now, another trending narrative right now, and you can see Binance Alpha is for live. So this is awesome categories for this meme coin are really good. We are only 32% down. This all time high that was just 9 days ago, $9, and it all time low was 2 months ago, where from we are almost 6,000% here. $0.01 coin has already killed 1 0, and maybe in coming few days, if crypto market can recover here, then we can see its price up to $1. Then this coin will kill 2 zeros here. So this is already awesome performance from this meme coin. Gate.io has listed, BingX has listed, MEX Exchange has listed, and friends, I think KuCoin has also listed this coin. I can see MEXC and CoinX are here. XD.com has listed some Solana dexes, and Gate.io has listed BitTrue, BingX, and many major central exchanges has already listed coin. But friends, still there's no Bybit, Crypto.com, Binance yet. So lots of central exchange listing left for this coin. Friends, you can check out website here. You can see website look good, fund expire on. You can check out all further details here. 45,000 holders, friends. You can see on Solana scan 45,000 holders for this meme coin. So this is good, and these are the top holders of this meme coin. You can see, friends, number one wallet has 8% supply, second has 3% supply, and other wallet had 2% of supply. So top 10 wallets holding, I think, more than 20% of its token. So I think this is not too good, because highest holding in 10 wallets, and these are other wallets. You can see, friends, they are also holding 1% of supply, 0.9% of supply. But friends, I think right now this thing is not better, because right now this coin has more followers. You can see more than 12,000 people has added this coin into their favorite list, and right now this coin is trending here. And because AI category meme coin, AI meme, also AI agent here, so that's why this meme coin look amazing. And that's the reason, that's why this has already $680 million market cap already. $680 million market cap already. And still Bybit has no list, Crypto.com not list, lots central exchange listing left for this coin. But definitely when crypto market will again recover here, maybe in coming few days or in coming few weeks, we can see massive hype again in crypto market for meme coins. Then definitely this meme coin may be $2 to $3 billion here. But in long term, I think this meme coin has potential to be the next $8 to $10 billion market meme coin. I think in next see a mega blunt after 8 to 12 months from here. This meme coin can reach $8 to $10 billion market minimum is my target. What's your target? Do you think Binance will list this coin? I think this coin be the next listing for Binance. Maybe within next couple of weeks we can see its listing on Binance. What do you think? You can must comment down below.